What's up, guys? Welcome to our 2,000 a month villa. We're out here in Koh Samui. You can stay in a place like this. I think it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 stories. We got a room upstairs, a room halfway upstairs, and then we have a patio, a pool, a shower outside, little lounge area over there if you guys want to look. And we park our bikes over there on the right. We got my bike, the red one, and then Alex's bike, the gray one. And then we had a barbecue last night. It was an absolute vibe. Just playing country music, cooking up some steak and chicken. It was a top-notch night, and just chilling out, smoking cigars, eating good, enjoying the life out here in Koh Samui. It was an absolute banger meal. Now, other than that, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of like what's inside and the views that's here, what the work situation, the work routine is like. So let's go ahead and dive in. So guys, as we head inside, I mean, the benefits of surrounding yourself with absolute killers who are on the same level as you, trying to level up, is that there's no room for slacking. Like if one of us sleeps in, the other 2 people, they're gonna be already going to the gym, taking sales calls, and doing every single thing they need to start moving the needle forward to their goals, which is one of the best things I've seen with like surrounding myself with people that are levels above me. So that way you're kind of forced to level up yourself, which I've seen greatly since coming out here to Thailand. Now guys, this is the kitchen right here. We have Arissa cooking up. But over here, we have my bedroom. We have the bathroom that Evo and I are sharing. Taking shits together, no homo. But yeah, in my room, it's not, super big, but it's got the bed, got a little desk, so I'm reading this book, Atomic Habits. Again, pretty good book, pretty fire. Trying to get 10 pages a day. And the thing is, guys, we had a routine, like coming here to this villa, we got it for like 10 days of like waking up at 4 a.m. each and every single morning, which we've done once. But the thing is with routines, like it's not the end all be all, like if you're going to be successful or not. It's just as long as you're doing the right inputs each and every single day. It doesn't matter what time you wake up. Like right now, realistically, we were trying to wake up at 4, but now we're waking up at 8, 9, maybe even 10 a.m. But we're still going to the gym. We're making YouTube videos, making reels, taking sales calls, just doing all the right inputs no matter what time we wake up. So, I mean, even though we aren't really succeeding at the 4 a.m. wake-ups, we're still succeeding at the goals that we set each and every single day. And guys, of course, this is the living room. Pretty spacious, very nice wooden design, feels very traditional. And then right here, this is where I'm taking the sales calls. If you guys want to zoom in right here, I got the sales calls. I've already taken 4 today. We had a no-show.
What about this?
Another no-show. Yeah, with sales calls the last 2 days. The snus. That's just for dialing in. I pretty much just take one before every sales call. And as you know, I've got different flavors. Got strawberry cheesecake, jalapeno lime, red chili melon. What is this? I just found it. Jalapeno lime again. Mint. So, I mean, yeah, just switching up the flavors for every single sales call increases your close rate by 40%. And guys, with remote sales, especially if you're a remote closer, having a very good backdrop is very important, just because like if you're showing up on these sales calls as a closer and you're in your mom's basement or you have like a shitty backdrop or there's trash everywhere, it's not high status. It's not going to help your closing whatsoever. But having a very nice backdrop of like this wooden, very high ceilings, nice TV, it just helps a lot in terms of like your status in the frame on these sales calls. And Alex, we've been here for what, like maybe a week now, almost? What would you say your experience has been surrounding yourself with killers and just leveling up each and every single day?
I think it's not bad. I like the jungle a lot. It's way more chill than Bangkok, so you can finally hear your thoughts. So that's the main thing about, I think, the best difference. It's just way more quiet, I don't know.
It's more peaceful. Like every morning you're like walking in the jungle with the cows and the buffaloes. Like have you been hearing any data sets from them?
Way better, like you have like dreams and stuff.
Yeah.
Like everyone said the same. I don't know why. I have no dreams in Bangkok, bro. Maybe the air is just so bad, or I don't know. But
Yeah, I've had a dream every single night. Like they've been some strange dreams, but in Bangkok I rarely have any.
Yeah, and I can tell like I sleep way better. Maybe you're sick, so you can't tell much, but like I sleep way better, have dreams, feel way better. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's the air quality. Like I know Bangkok is one of the most like polluted cities in the whole world, so it's like one of the worst air quality in the whole world. So that's the only downside to Bangkok. But overall, Bangkok is way more fun. It's not like here, it's not, but yeah, it's kind of like a way more chill, relaxing place. Kind of living in like a village. Maybe not good if you really want to like make it big in life, let's say it this way.
Yeah, I think it's good as long as you're surrounding yourself with the right people. Because if we were in Koh Samui and surrounding ourselves with people who are just going to, what's that club, like Arc Bar every day, I mean, you can get stuck in a very, very dark cycle. But if you're surrounding yourself with killers, and you're locking in the jungle, then you can easily start leveling up like that.
Yeah. I think you just said right, bro. Like it's just, but even the right people here are just like maybe like what 10K a month max, 10, 15K a month. If you really wanna go and surround yourself with like guys who make way bigger numbers, you're probably not gonna find here in Koh Samui. So way better for networking, I would say in Bangkok, but Koh Samui it's also fun, you know. It's kind of like out. If you're somebody who's watching this is wondering where should I go if I move to Thailand, I would say just get a condo in Bangkok, maybe get like a cheaper condo, and then just travel around in the weekends, or maybe just come here for a week, go back to Bangkok, work for a couple of weeks, a month, then come to Phuket for a week, or Koh Samui, or Pattaya, or whatever, and then just come back. So like have Bangkok as like a networking, like grinding place, and then every once in a while when you want to like chill, relax, go to the beach, just get a flight. The flight, it's nothing. It's like a couple $100. You can just come here or any other of the islands and just relax for a week. When you get bored, you just go back to Bangkok to work. That's the setup.
Yeah, it is only like an hour flight or less, and it just goes by like that. But yeah, up here, we got 2 more bedrooms. We got Alex's up there that has a bathroom, and then Evo's right here. I mean, they're pretty much the same structure. I don't want to like ruin their privacy, so we're going to just head back down. But yeah, Alex's room has like a patio, which is pretty sick. He booked a place. So there's like a hidden rule for when you're booking Airbnbs with the boys. Whoever books it, they get to choose the room first, which is a hidden rule that we all have. And then, yeah, last but not least, we'll go upstairs to the patio. Now, guys, up here, as you can see, we have the beautiful view of the jungle. It's not the ocean. It's not some very high view, but it's just some trees. Very evenly spaced out. It's a very good place to walk, chill out, talk to the buffaloes. And then right here is where I like try to wake up in the morning and try to journal. I mean, Evo, you're kind of the same as me. Like, we try to journal, and then we're not really consistent with it. But as Alex said, it's like very beneficial to write down your thoughts, what you're thinking, what's going wrong, what's going right in your life. And me and Evo have been trying to incorporate that into our lives as well. So guys, that's pretty much the villa. But I mean, it's just very important to stay in a very high frequency place, surround yourself with very high frequency people, so that we can double, triple the workload, feel very good, have a very amazing life, and not surround yourself with negative people who only bring you down. Because right now, Evo and Alex, they're helping me level up. I'm helping them level up. We're all just kind of like iron sharpens iron type of thing, where we're able to just push each other to newer limits, newer heights, to start leveling up in life. But yeah, other than that, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm about to jump in the pool for the content. So Evo, here you go.
Isn't it kind of high? Like, how many meters is it?
I'd say it's probably about like 15 meters.
And how deep is the pool? Like,
Probably like 6 meters, 5 meters.
now how deep is the pool?
Yeah, 6 meters. Or is that too high?
Bro! Oh wait, you're from the US.
Yeah.
Anyways. It's like
Alright.
1.5 meters
Really?
deep, yeah. And you're jumping from like 3 meters?
Yeah, bro, imagine I just died for the YouTube video. I still won't get any views.
Still worth it.
Alright guys, it's been an absolute pleasure having you guys here in the villa. If you guys are trying to come out here to Koh Samui, Thailand, or anywhere else in the world, and you have Wi-Fi, a mouth that speaks, and a heart that beats, you can make it with remote sales, and I'll be able to help you find your first offer that's able to start progressing you to your first $10,000 a month. So if that's something that's interested for you can book a call down below. Feel free to. I can't help everyone, but if I can help you, I'll walk you through A to Z on how I can help you find your first gold mine offer and scale to $10,000 a month within the first 60 days. So guys, it's been an absolute pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next one.